Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this particular Chrome extension called Tab for a Cause, and you're wondering whether this can make you money or whether it can make money for charities, right? Let's check this out to see whether this is legit. Is this a good way to raise money, or are there better ways, right? Now, at any time, if you want to find out my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, you can just click the link below, and I'll send you my favorite strategy straight to your email if you would like to check that out. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money on the internet, raise money, right? And there's all sorts of different strategies online. There are different business models, there's different Chrome extensions, there are different websites, and some of them are great and you can potentially earn and raise a lot of money right online, but some of them are just a waste of time. They're not legit and you can only raise very, very little. So let's check out Tab for a Cause to see whether this is a good strategy. How does it stack up to other opportunities online? Now, Tab for a Cause is very interesting. This is not really a way to make money for yourself. This is more of a way to raise money specifically for charity. All right, so a very good cause. I think it's a very cool little extension here, and the way that this works is you would just click on add to Chrome. All right, so and you can add it to your Chrome tab. You would download it as an extension, and once it loads as an extension, it will show up on your Chrome browser specifically. So you have to use Chrome as a browser, right? Now, the way that it looks is it kind of looks like this. You can see here on the right hand side, right? It shows up on your browser. All right, and the way that you earn is that the more tabs that you open up in Chrome, the more hearts that you will generate. So you can see right here that this is the amount of money they've raised at that particular time, about 555,000, and you can see how many hearts that this particular browser has, 570 hearts, right? And that's for you just opening up your Chrome browser as many times as you want, right? And that's pretty much it. It's a very, very simple app. Now, occasionally on your little Chrome browser right here, you'll see the availability for you to watch videos. Okay, so it depends on your country. Some countries you can't watch any videos at all. Some countries you can. And if you can watch a video, it'll pop up, you watch the video, and it'll pay you even more hearts. So instead of getting 1 heart, you might get 5 hearts, 10 hearts, 20 hearts, that sort of thing. All right. And at the same time, what you're also going to see is on your home page of your Chrome browser, every time you open it up, you're going to see a few ads that will pop up. All right. That's how Tab for a Cause makes money. That's how they can continue to run their business platform, right? And that's how they get revenue to pay you out some money so that you can donate that to charity. That's how this works. It's all driven by ads. In fact, a lot of free websites, a lot of free business models are driven by ad revenue. That's kind of how the world works, unfortunately, right? So it's a little bit annoying. It's not so bad because it's on, it's going to be on the home page of your browser. You can just kind of scroll out, but just understand that that's how they make money. They show ads to real viewers all over the world. Okay, and as you open tabs and take action on their browser, they will give you more hearts, and then you can donate those hearts to different charities. So how it works is you would then go to the little tab right here. You click on the top, the little buttons right there, right? The 3 dots, and it will allow you to donate your hearts to different charities. So let's just say you have 570 hearts and you wanted to donate that, so you're ready to do it. You click on the 3 little buttons and you'll choose the charities, and they've got a whole list of different charities that you can choose to donate your hearts to. All right, so let's just say you want to donate 100 to this charity, the children's charity, and then you donate another 3 hearts to another charity. You can do that. All right, now the big question is how much are these hearts worth, right? Now, there is a range, okay, and it really depends on what country you're from, but it ranges from 1 cent per heart to 1/10 of a cent. All right, so it's either 0.01 or 0.001. That's basically how much they're worth. So it's very, very little. But this company is real, it's legit, and for every single tab that you open up, for every video that you watch, depending on whether you have videos available in your home country, you will be able to donate to real charities, and you'll really be helping people all over the world, which is really, really cool. Okay, so this is not a way to make money for yourself, unfortunately. This is more a way to donate to charity. So if you're interested in doing that, and you're going to be doing it very passively, right? You're just going to be using the Chrome extension. It's going to be operating on your Chrome browser in the background. As you use the browser on a daily basis, it's just going to rack up, hearts, which is really cool. You don't really have to do anything. You just download it, Don't think about it. And the more that you use the browser as you're opening up tabs, you're going to get more hearts and more hearts and more hearts naturally every single day. And then when you're ready to donate, you just do the manual action and you just donate straight to the charity. So you're doing really, a really good job. And this company is running the ads in the background. I mean, they'll show up on your browser from time to time on the homepage, but you don't really have to worry about that, and you get to really do a good job for the world. Okay, so I think it's a very cool little application here. It's been featured on some very big websites: the Huffington Post, USA Today, Los Angeles Times, Mashable, right? So it's a really, really cool way to raise money. You're not really doing anything, right? It's working in the background. So it's a great, I would say, donation type of Chrome extension and a little piece of software that you can use if you want to donate to charity. You're not going to be able to make money for yourself this way, so we're going to talk about that in a second, depending on what you really would like to achieve, right? So if you want to check it out, tab.gladly.io, or you can just Google Tab for a Cause and download it straight onto your Chrome browser. Pretty cool little donation app right here, okay? Now, if you are watching this video and you're looking for a way to generate or raise money for yourself, okay, so not necessarily for charity, there are different ways to do it. It just depends on what you want to do. If you want to raise money for charity, check out Tab for a Cause. If you want to raise money for yourself and your family and maybe, for your retirement, then that's a completely different strategy, okay? There are lots of different ways to really generate income online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. There's some great ways, there's some not so good ways. So if you would like to find out my favorite way, and I still think that this is the best way to do it 100% from home and to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month 100% from just using your internet and your internet connection, right, and your computer, click the link below and I will send you my favorite strategy straight to your email if you would like to check that out. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of Tab for a Cause. Check it out if you want, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.